This is Benson, a shelter dog in New York State, learning how to open the fridge and take out a bottle of water. Whoop.
Get your bottle.
Get it, Ben. Checking out all the other goodies in the fridge. Good boy.
Yeah!
Good job,
boy.
Benson. Good job. He's got a few other tricks to show off.
Rebutton. You want to open that one more time? Open it one more time. Go ahead.
Good job, Benson.
Good job, Benny.
It's right here. All
Benny.
right. And here's his easy button.
Benny. How hard was that?
That was easy.
Yeah. Button one more time.
That was easy.
Yes. Good boy,
Good
Benny.
boy, Benny.